Hello, this is George. Welcome back to George Basic Crypto channel. In today's video, I will show you how to buy Terra on Trustwallet. This will be step-by-step tutorial buying Terra on Trustwallet, and remember that this is not financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. This is just video tutorial and it's entertaining purpose video. So we can begin our short video tutorial. First of all, we need to have Trustwallet on our mobile phone. To have Trustwallet, you should go to Google Play or App Store and install Trustwallet on your mobile phone. It's totally free. After you install Trustwallet, then make an account and open your Trustwallet. And now you need to have Ethereum on your balance, because to buy Terra, you need to swap your Ethereum. For this, you can go to Ethereum and you can buy it on Trustwallet. Go to buy, choose the amount and buy Ethereum on Trustwallet. And also you can receive Ethereum from any other wallet. You can go to receive, copy the wallet address and send Ethereum to your Trustwallet account. So after you have Ethereum on your balance, then you should go to CoinMarketCap, go to search bar, type Terra here and go to Terra's page. You should scroll down and in the end of this page you will find out Ethereum contract address. Here you should copy this contract address and go back to Trustwallet. Then go to dApps. Here you should scroll down and choose UNISWAP. Click select the token, paste the contract address we copied few seconds ago and click import. Go to settings and set slippage tolerance to 9%. If it does not work, try 10%. And then choose the amount of Ethereum you are going to pay to buy Terra and swap your Ethereum to it. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for clicking like buttons, and thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.